Good evening everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. I'm here with my today's topic, that is future continuous or future progressive tense. It is used to describe activities that will be in progress in future. For example, I will be watching movie at 8 p.m. We will or shall be constructing a new building next year. They will be traveling tomorrow. It is used for future predictions. For example, by 2050, people will be facing pollution on a large scale. By 2030, a lot of people will be traveling to other countries. They will be getting rich by the next year. Helping verbs for future continuous tense are will be or shall be. Urdu identification of future progressive tense is that in the end of the sentences we will have raha hoga, rahe honge, rahi hogi ya rahi hongi. Now moving on to the sentence structure, and the positive sentence structure is subject plus will be or shall be plus present participle, that is verb ing plus object. For example, he will be attempting the paper. वो पर्चा हल कर रहा होगा. She will be waiting for the vacation. वो छुट्टियों का इंतज़ार कर रही होगी. They will be making arrangements for the function. वो तकरीब के इंतज़ामात कर रहे होंगे. I shall be getting ready for work. मैं काम के लिए तैयार हो रही होंगी. You will be presenting the speech. आप तकरीर कर रहे होंगे. Now negative sentence structure is subject plus will shall plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object. Let's put this formula into the examples. She will not be behaving properly. वो अच्छे अंदाज में पेश नहीं आ रही होगी. I shall not be writing a letter. मैं ख़त नहीं लिख रही होंगी. They will not be following the instructions. वो उसूलों पर अमल नहीं कर रहे होंगे. She will not be attending my call. वो मेरा फ़ोन नहीं सुन रही होगी. His parents will not be coming that day. उसके वालिदैन उस दिन नहीं आ रहे होंगे. They will not be preparing the meal. वो खाना नहीं बना रहे होंगे. Then interrogative sentence structure. Positive is will shall plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object. For example, will she be writing a letter? क्या वो ख़त लिख रही होगी? Shall will I be working well? क्या मैं अच्छे अंदाज में काम कर रही होंगी? Will they be listening to the teacher? क्या वो उस्ताद को सुन रहे होंगे? Will or shall we be disturbing them? क्या हम उनको तंग कर रहे होंगे? Will they be coming to the party? क्या वो तकरीब में आ रहे होंगे? Negative interrogative sentence structure is will or shall plus subject plus not plus be plus verb ing plus object and then question mark. Will she not be calling the principal? क्या वो प्रिंसिपल को नहीं बुला रही होगी? Will they not be paying attention? क्या वो तवज्जो नहीं दे रहे होंगे? Will you not be getting ready? क्या आप तैयार नहीं हो रहे होंगे? Won't she be installing the application? क्या वो एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल नहीं कर रहे होंगे या क्या वो मोबाइल में काम नहीं कर रहे होंगे? Shan't I be concentrating? क्या मैं तवज्जो नहीं दे रही होंगी? Won't they be taking their paper? क्या वो पर्चा नहीं दे रहे होंगे? Now information question. Positive sentence structure is WH word plus will shall plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus object, and at the end you have question mark. Examples are why will she be writing a letter? वो ख़त क्यों लिख रही होगी? Where will you be going? आप कहाँ जा रहे होंगे? How will they be performing? वो कैसे काम कर रहे होंगे? What will they be expecting? वो क्या उम्मीद कर रहे होंगे? Now negative information questions. Sentence structure is WH word plus will shall plus subject plus not plus be plus verb ing object and then question mark. Why will she not be writing a letter? वो ख़त क्यों नहीं लिख रही होगी? Where will they not be going? वो कहाँ नहीं जा रहे होंगे? Which topics shall I not be understanding? मुझे कौन से मौज़ूआत समझ नहीं आ रहे होंगे? When will she not be coming? वो कब नहीं आ रही होगी? So this was all about future progressive tense. Please kindly go for the use of will and shall in the previous video and try to grab the concept. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.